Hey guys, welcome back to Me and You Garage. Today we are going to plasti dip the emblems on our Rivian R1S. As you know, we are not big fans of chrome trim. We plasti dipped the emblems on our Toyota Land Cruiser a few years ago. It's still holding up well and looks pretty nice. We'll link a video in the corner there. The good thing about plasti dip is that it is not permanent. So if you are not a fan of it, or if you get tired of it, you can just easily remove it. We are going to plasti dip our emblems black to match to the black trim. Think it'll look nice and it'll pop and stand out. You can get a pack of 4 on Amazon for $50. We'll have the link in the description box down below. Without further ado, let's check out the emblems we're gonna plasti dip. We got the emblem there, emblem here. Follow me around the car. And right on the hood right there. Getting excited. Let's see how this turns out. And we've got, again here, Adam's Polishes Detail Spray. You can use your favorite detail spray. Make sure your surface is clean. We're gonna spray this and clean off the area. Okay, clean the emblems, clean the area. For the next step, we are going to use painter's tape and plastic. You can buy plastic in the rolls, or this is some we got from Home Depot. Like spray paint, you're gonna have some overspray and you don't want like little splotches everywhere. So you're going to wanna protect the rest of your car. Now that we've cleaned and prepped our work area, we can get started. Make sure you shake your can frequently and hold it between 6 to 10 inches away from the surface, and also kind of slightly go back and forth to create a clean, even coat. Now we're gonna wait about 30 minutes between coats for about 3 to 4 coats, and yeah. All right, so here we are now. We've finished 3 coats of plasti dip on all of the emblems, and it's looking pretty nice. After you do each coat, sometimes it may look a little bubbly or uneven, but if you just trust the process and keep going, it dries out pretty nicely, and I think we're ready to do the fun part, peeling it off. All right, this is our trim removal kit. In this kit, it comes with a pick here. You can also use a toothpick, but this kit is from Amazon, and we'll have the links below. This will help you get into the little crevices, but also be very careful you don't scratch your car. Like a dentist, you know? Woo! Look at the end. Looks good. This helps you pull it off. So in these little crevices, this is where the pick would really come in handy. Bigger chunk and try to nut. Pull it off. Tight spots, and make sure you get a good thick. Okay, so we finished the plastidip project and we are so happy with how the results turned out. The black looks so nice with the LA silver. We feel like Rivian should have had this as an option out the door. It only took us 1 can of plastidip and we were able to complete the whole project in about 2 hours. It only took so long because we had to wait in between the 3 to 4 coats. It was a super easy project. Anyone can do it. Let us know if you have any questions and if you have suggestions for new videos. All the information and links will of course be in the description box down below, but we can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye!